Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna draw a car. Step 1, draw a line. We're gonna draw a line. Step 2, another line. Step 3, Step 4. Make sure you follow the steps, guys. Step 5.
Without drawing.
Step 6, a car.
What car? Taxi.
I'm gonna say a golf.
Okay.
You must follow. You're gonna be the best at drawing. Just follow my steps. Don't forget, guys, you must like and subscribe to my channel. Wait, I make the drawing. Must like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do Monday shoutouts.
For my subscribers.
I'm gonna give an iPhone giveaway to my subscribers. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna give you a shout out and comment. You must comment your name and your house address. Then I'm gonna come tell you and I'm gonna give you shout out. I'm gonna shout out you. Then I'm gonna give you iPhone. It's an iPhone 15, guys. iPhone 15, guys. My brother's recording the video.
Yeah, guys.
I'm gonna make the logo. Almost done, guys.
This is a nice, really car.
Yes, I'm gonna make my nice. Very nice.
You must make it your nicest, ne? For your subscribers.
Okay, for my subscribers.
For that iPhone. They must win that iPhone. Ne?
Guys, you there people that play Roblox, join me, Slaru177. That is my Roblox. That is my Roblox username. Then when you friend me, I'm gonna play Brookhaven, and then I'm gonna give Robux free 10k Robux away. I'm gonna do the live stream tomorrow.
The shoutouts.
And the shoutouts. I'm gonna give the Robux away. I have 10k Robux here in my account, but this is my first video.
Very first videos, guys.
Very first.
He didn't post a video.
This is my really first video. My favorite YouTuber is
Pen and Game.
Ben Islet and Royalty Family. Now, guys, make sure like and subscribe, and I'm gonna shout out you. And then you're gonna make. Yeah, tell me what must I draw in the comments. What must I draw next?
How does this look, guys? Don't tell me it's beautiful.
Do you think this look good? Then you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment.
Done. If you don't subscribe and like, then you write in the comments. Done.
Yeah. Guys,
Are you done?
Think of that. I'm gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna show my brother, guys. Yo. He did record me the whole time. And guys, this video is a masterpiece. All my videos is going about drawing. Hold the camera. I'm gonna draw